I'm going to make you a hummus from scratch. It's tasty when you make it home and it's inexpensive, and you also know what you're going to put in it. Now, usually when you make a hummus from scratch, you need to soak your chickpeas overnight and then you need to cook it for a good hour and a half to 2 hours. But I have found a great little hack. I'm going to use Chana Dal. This pulse is fantastic, and usually you would use Chana Dal to make some dal or curries, but because it is a split chickpea, it's a desi chickpea, it takes less time to soak and less time to cook. And the reason we soak is we want to just rehydrate them slightly before they get cooked, and it makes the best hummus. So after you've rinsed it, you want to pop it into some water and soak it for 30 minutes. That's all it needs, 30 minutes. We're going to drain it. So we'll just get rid of all that water. And then we're going to place this into a pot. And I'm also going to cover it with some water. So we say roughly 1 cup of Chana Dal to 4 cups of water. Then we're going to turn the heat up. Once it's come up to the boil, I'm going to turn it down, simmer it with the lid on for about half an hour. That's all it takes to cook. All right, this is looking good, super tender. Look how much of the liquid the Chana Dal has absorbed. And you know it's cooked when you just grab them and you can just squeeze them between your fingers and you can see how soft and creamy they are. So good. So we're going to drain them. Not much liquid, but because I'm making a hummus, I want to control how much liquid is in it. I may use some of that just to blend with it later on. So we'll just shake the excess off. And we're going to place this into a food processor. And now for the traditional flavours of a hummus. So tahini can go in, good amount of tahini. To that, we need to season it with salt. Now, I haven't seasoned it yet, so a good pinch of salt at this stage. And just like most pulses, when you're cooking them from dried, you want to make sure that you season them afterwards. If you season them while they're cooking, they won't be as tender and they'll almost get a little bit of a grainy crust. So season it always afterwards. And to this, I'm going to add some cumin. Now what I've done is just toasted off some cumin seeds and then crushed it myself. The flavour is incomparable to ground cumin. This is nutty, it's just got a really lovely flavour that goes nicely with a Chana Dal. So a good pinch of that into there, and the rest of it I'm going to use to garnish. Some garlic, 1 clove of garlic, just roughly chop that, and a good squeeze of lemon juice. Okay, now I'm going to give that a really good blend, and I'll add little by little some extra virgin olive oil. All right, let's have a look at this. Ooh, so creamy, it smells fantastic. I want to check the seasoning and the consistency. Look at that. See how it's starting to get quite fluffy? It's still a little bit grainy there. That's okay. We just need to blend it a little more. I'm going to check the seasoning. Tastes so good. It does need some more acid. So good squeeze. And another trick to get this extra fluffy is to add some ice cubes. So just a few little ice cubes, not too much because I don't want to go watery. 2 ice cubes. We'll continue to emulsify this with the olive oil and then it'll be ready. I'm also going to toast some naan because I think it's a fantastic addition to this hummus. All right, this naan piping hot. I'm just going to cut it into chunks. And our beautiful hummus. Look how silky it is. It is just right. I'm going to pour this into a shallow plate like this, just with a rim. And we're just going to spread that out. Nothing beats fresh hummus. There we go. A little extra lemon juice. some extra virgin olive oil over the top. And that toasted cumin seeds. Chana Dal, which is a pulse that is grown in Australia. It's high in protein, high in fibre, and now you know it's a pulse that makes a cheat hummus. In fact, it makes the best hummus. All right, I'm just going to have a quick taste and a big scoop. Lots of that oil and the cumin. Homemade hummus. You've seen it here. Chana Dal hummus works a treat every time. That is addictive, delicious.